करके नहीं बुलाऊंगी because you might think I might have planned it. So I'm going to take some help from Parikshit, who was hosting the show before. Parikshit, can I request you to join? Can we have a round of applause for Parikshit, please? Doing an incredible job of hosting this wonderful event.
सुहानी, round of applause for you.
Thank you.
मैं बहुत डरता हूँ आपसे, आप माइंड पढ़ लेते
ऐसी हरकतें करते क्यों हो कि डरना पड़े?
और ये पासकोड पढ़ लेती हैं आपके फोन का बिना बताए, आप बताओगे नहीं और ये बता देंगी, तो थोड़ा बच के रहना चाहिए।
बिना बताए नहीं, मैं कंसेंट लेके करती हूँ।
कंसेंट लेके
ठीक है, हाँ, मैं पूछ के बताती हूँ, वरना मेरे मन में रखती हूँ।
ओके,
परीक्षित, आई वांट योर हेल्प। देखो, बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपना हाथ रेज किया है दैट दे वांट मी टू रीड देयर माइंड। इसे कहते हैं ब्रेवरी, ठीक है, बट ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। आई हैव आल्सो नॉट सेट अप दिस विद यू, तो कैन यू चूज 3 पीपल, एनी 3, योर विश, whose mind you think will be difficult for me to read or whose mind you want me to read. कोई भी 3 को आप बुला सकते हो।
This is great. I'm going to give you 3 very formidable women from Network 18. आप नहीं पढ़ पाओगे उनका mind.
3 women, first of all, मैं तो उसमें ही डर गई हूँ।
नहीं, 3 of our biggest faces. I'm going to give you their names. Should I call them?
Yes, I feel you're ready. Maybe somebody told you.
नहीं, मैं तो मुझे आपने जैसे ही बताया मैंने देख लिया।
Okay.
Let me call upon Shireen Bhan.
Okay, can we have a round of applause for Shireen, everybody?
Rubika Liaquat.
Rubika Liaquat, everybody.
And let me see, Palki. Palki is there. Let's have Palki on
Can
stage.
we have a round of applause for Palki? Oh my God. Shireen, can I have you here? Center stage. Welcome on stage. You're looking amazing. Rubika, can I have you here? Welcome on stage, Rubika. Lovely having you. Palki, can I have you here? First of all, can we have a round of applause for these powerful, amazingly beautiful women on stage? आपने 3 महिलाएं क्यों चुनी?
अब I'm going to leave you with them.
Thank you, Parikshit.
Have a good session, and ladies and gentlemen, enjoy that. I'll be right back.
Round of applause for Parikshit. Thank you for helping me. Thank you. Okay. देखो, सबसे पहले तो मैं जो आपका माइंड रीड कर, जो क्लोजेस्ट आते हैं माइंड रीडिंग में, तो वो है आपकी मम्मी। ठीक है, दैट इज योर मदर। क्योंकि माओ को सब पता होता है क्या होने वाला है, क्या नहीं होने वाला, कौन आपके लिए अच्छा है, कौन बुरा है, ये चीज का पढ़िए, वो चीज का। बट उससे क्लोज आई डोंट थिंक इस दुनिया में कोई आता है टू रीड समबडीज माइंड। अब मैं खड़ी हूं यहाँ पर 3 अमेजिंग वुमेन के साथ, ठीक है, तो ये इन इटसेल्फ एक चैलेंज है। ओके, नाउ मैं, अरे फॉर मी, आप लोगों को क्या घबराना है यहाँ पर? सो मैं थोड़ा सेफ खेलूंगी और अपने आप को भी एक चैलेंज दूंगी। एवरीबडी हैज सीन मी रीड वन पर्सन्स माइंड। मैं कोशिश करूंगी, आई एम नॉट 100% श्योर, बट मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि मैं तीनों को एक साथ करूं। ओके, आई विल ट्राई दिस थिंग। सो फॉर दैट मेरा एक सवाल आप तीनों से सेम होने वाला है। माई क्वेश्चन फॉर यू इज, आई वॉन्ट यू टू थिंक ऑफ अ डे और अ मेमोरी और कोई मोमेंट जो आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा स्पेशल है। ठीक है, अगर आपको उसका तारीख याद होगा, दैट बी अमेजिंग। द एग्जैक्ट डेट, ईयर, अगर जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है, इफ यू हैव द डेट एंड द ईयर, दैट विल बी अमेजिंग, बट वॉट एवर इंफॉर्मेशन यू हैव विल बी ग्रेट। दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट यू टू डू। डेट, मेमोरी, बोथ. Whatever you remember, whatever you want me to reveal, whatever you're okay. In fact, you know what? I'm going to, you guys, कैसे हमने 3 एंकर्स को बुलाया और उनको माइक नहीं दिया हाथ में? मतलब मैंने कैसे सोचा कि ये लोग कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे? मेरी गलती है ये तो। I'm going to give you a mic in case you want to talk anything. तो again I'm repeating this. Very simple task. मैंने बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन रखा है, लेकिन ये मेमोरी कुछ भी हो सकती है। अब बहुत बार लोगों को ये लगता है कि मैंने शायद आप लोगों को स्टॉक किया होगा, मैं फेसबुक, ट्विटर पे गई होंगी या कहीं, तो थिंक ऑफ समथिंग दैट आई कैन नॉट नो अबाउट। कि यार सुहानी कितने भी लोगों को पूछ ले, कितना भी मेरे को मैं स्टॉक नहीं कर रही लेकिन अगर कर ले तो मेरे लिए जानना इम्पॉसिबल है। ऐसी कोई डेट, ऐसा कोई मोमेंट अगर आप अपनी लाइफ में सोच सकते हैं, वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू रिवील, दैट बी ग्रेट, बट थिंक अबाउट इट इन योर माइंड। डू यू हैव इट? Palki? You have it?
I think so.
You think so? Shireen, you have it? Rubika is still thinking.
Okay, I have it.
You have it. But you're very... I'll only reveal as much as you want.
We're changing our mind. We're changing our mind.
Oh God, don't change minds, guys, please. एक तो आप लोगों का mind read करना वैसे ही difficult. Don't keep changing your minds. But you have it, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to take the mic away from you. I'm going to ask you to hold something in your hand. And then I'm going to ask you to do something very, very important for me. Can you hold this closer to your chest? Same thing for you. Same thing for you. Perfect. Like this. जैसे भी पकड़ना है, that is fine. Shh. I feel Rubika is this little kid in the class, the last bencher, where anybody has to like, teacher को बार-बार बोलना पड़ता है, बैठ जा बहन, पढ़ ले. Okay, on this, can I request all three of you to look into the audience? 1, 2, 3, can I request you to close your eyes now? Keeping your eyes closed, I want you to think of this memory in your mind, whatever you want to think. ये कोई चीज हो सकती है, मतलब कोई इवेंट हुआ हो सकता है, और अगर कुछ भी नहीं आपको बताना तो कोई डेट, अगर आपको डेट भी याद है, that will be amazing. Think about it in your mind. Keep your eyes closed. Even if I do speak something, if I do reveal something, do not give it away with your expressions. Okay. Over here, no, keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Okay, I'll come to you in a while. Over here, I feel you are very, this person is very clear. उनको डेट भी मन में याद पता है, उनके पास ईयर भी है और उनके पास इंसिडेंट भी है कि ये क्या चीज है. यहाँ पर आई एम फिगरिंग देयर इज हिचकिचाहट थोड़ा सा. तो इफ ओके, कीपिंग योर आइज क्लोज रुबिका, आई सी थोड़ी हिचकिचाहट है. तो हियर्स व्हाट आई वांट यू टू डू. आई ओनली वांट यू टू थिंक ऑफ द डेट, जस्ट द डेट इन योर माइंड. Sheen, over here, I see that you are thinking of an event in your life. Is that correct? Yeah. Okay. Think of this event, what happened this day, and why is this important to you? If you can give me some space to write. Yeah. Okay, over here I see a lot of clarity. There is event, date, year, everything. Is that correct? Okay. Can you give me the year right now? Oh, in your mind. Don't say out loud. That'll be weird. Okay. I'm gonna go with... You'll see what's happening. I know. I want you to keep your curiosity with you for now. No. What do you mean open one of your eyes? Yes. इसको हर जगह negotiate करना है भाई. Okay. I think I'm going to be fast. It's just that it's 3 people and reading mind is not as easy as we think it is. Rebecca, I think I am a little there with what you are thinking. Shireen, I think I am where you're thinking. It's just that I'm going to take a little time for Palki. I think this is going to be... I think so. Okay, I think this is good. Shireen, can you one more time think of the... Oh, now you added this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You guys can open your eyes now. Do not look at the boards, please. And not at the screens as well. You were thinking of a date in your mind. Do you want to say what date that was?
Can I say?
Yes.
27th October. Is it there?
Now, coming to you, Shireen, before you say the date you were thinking in your mind, tell me if this is correct. You were thinking of a very important moment in your life. In fact, to a point, you actually lived it in your mind right now. Like you went to that day and you lived it, and this is something about your career?
Yes.
Is this the day you started your career or something like that?
Yes.
And you lived that day in your mind right
Yes.
now? What is the date you were thinking?
7th December 2000.
Do you want to have a look at the board? Wow. Okay. Coming to you, Palki. First of all, is it any way possible I can know what you were thinking?
Yeah,
Oh, then it should be a no, clear no. Like I cannot know what you're thinking, right?
I suppose. I don't know. Are you asking me to tell you what I was thinking?
No, don't tell me. But I'm just confirming. Is it any way possible I can know?
I'd be worried if you do. No, generally, as a
You should be
proposition.
worried then.
Yeah. Okay, tell me.
Okay, so I think you were also thinking something related to your career.
Yes, absolutely.
But this was not the start of your career.
No.
And this was also, you thought of a moment where you were not at work. It was something at your home or a moment that was not at work. And it is a moment you were thinking in your life where it was more like a switch that you made. Like you changed paths. Is it a moment when you changed career paths?
Yeah.
Is that correct? And what was the date?
8th March 2017. Oh no. I'm always thinking about my career, so this is fine too.
But my career is not going well right now.
You're fabulous.
Thank you. You know, as a
This is
magician, my job is to make things right. It was not going to be this date. You know why? That's my mother's birthday, by the way. It was not about your career shift.
Oh, okay.
That's different. Can you turn your board, please, Rubika? Can you just turn it and show it to the audience? That's 8th. That's 3, which is March. Could you turn this? 2017. That's 8th March 2017. Thank you so much. Can we have a round of applause for them? Thank you so much for doing this. Take the boards from you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And Rubika, I know you were very hesitant in telling us what happened on 27th October. Do you want to say it? Because she clearly in her hand was like, Suhani, please don't say it out loud. So I didn't have the consent. So do you want to say what happened? Or you don't want to say?
No, of course I want to. There was a competitor that came home. It's my sister's birthday.
Oh, why would you not want me to say that? But that's your sister's birthday. Thank you, Rubika. Thank you, Shireen.
Thank
you,
you,
Palki,
thank
for
you.
doing this. Amazing women on stage.
Amazing. I had a wonderful time.
Thank you so much. Round of applause for them, everybody. And thank you so much, everybody, for having me here for this event today. Before I end my performance, I need to tell you guys that I feel magic is an art form which a lot of magic has been born in India, and I feel today that it is an art form which has to still come up and live up to its potential. And I feel absolutely amazing and honored to be performing at such prestigious stages where I can bring my art form to the world and present it to people like you. So thank you so much for thinking of me today, the entire Network 18 team. And I wish all of you many more magical moments in your life. Thank you and namaste.
Suhani, we're not letting you go.
You're not letting me go. Okay.
But that was superb. How do you do that? And I was reading, you've been doing this since the age of 7.
Yes.
कैसे कर रहे हो आप?
It's been many years that I have been performing magic, and कैसे करते यार तो अच्छी तरह से कर लेते हैं. और
आपके टीचर्स डरते थे आपसे?
मैं स्कूल नहीं गई हूँ. सो फॉर दोज हू डू नॉट नो, मैं फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड के बाद कभी स्कूल नहीं गई बिकॉज मैं शोज कर रही थी. हमारे देश में जैसे आप देखते हो बहुत कन्वेंशनल देसी शोज होते हैं, उस तरह से मैं गांव से गांव जाकर शोज करती थी अपने, और वहां से यहाँ तक का सफर हुआ है जो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. लोगों के प्यार की वजह से पहुंची हूँ. सो थैंक यू सो मच.
So 5,000 performances, and I was just watching a video of yours on an Australian broadcaster where you correctly predicted the crush of the anchor, the passcode as well. What was the reaction, and how do you keep yourself going? You've got a very, very sharp mind, very clearly.
Thank you for saying that, and thank you for watching those videos. I clearly feel, जैसे मैं अभी बता रही थी, कि मैजिक हमारे देश में पला बड़ा हुआ है, और फिर मुझे लगता है हम खुद मैजिशियंस ही और बहुत सारे लोग वेस्ट में देखने लग गए थे. तो मेरे को अब ये ठान ली है कि मैं चाहती हूँ कि जो इंडियन मैजिक की वैल्यू है वो दुनिया तक पहुंचे. एंड आई एम रियली ट्राइंग दैट I could go to different countries and be at different platforms and show to them that Indian magic is still thriving and it is up to its potential. And हमारे देश में बनी एक कला है जो दुनिया को देखनी बहुत जरूरी है. तो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है कि लोग पूरी दुनिया में इसको देख रहे हैं और इसको प्यार कर रहे हैं.
Suhani, you're a total rock star. Thank you so much for coming by, leaving our audience absolutely enthralled. Wow, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.